Dates.
By Alexandra Pichushkina.
January the 1st. The new year starts on January the 1st. October the 9th. Our wedding is October the 9th. November the 2nd. His wife's birthday is November the 2nd. September the 3rd. Her husband's birthday is September the 3rd. December the 3rd. My friend arrives on December the 3rd. June the 4th. The basketball game is June the 4th. August the 5th. The football match is August the 5th. July the 6th. Her grandson's birthday is July the 6th. February the 7th. His granddaughter's birthday is February the 7th. March the 8th. Women's Day is March the 8th. September the 10th. My holiday starts on September the 10th. November the 1st. My holiday ends on November the 1st.